Dun, hey guys, welcome to the channel. And here we have the Harry Potter Redmi Turbo3 deep customized special edition phone. And in front of us is the special designed box. This time, besides the smartphone, even the box was ingenious designed and it combined the storyline with the magic vault. And for this special edition smartphone, it's powered by 60GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. And next, yes, I'm going to unbox these devices. As we can see, they also give us some information on the cover of the box. And next, let's open it. And I'm really excited to check what's inside the box. And this time it's such a special design box. It's just like to open the magic door and it's providing immersive unboxing experience. Whoa! So when we open it, we just like enter the immersive magic journey. This is the Diagon Alley, and also it have a Nocturne Alley. One side stands for light, and one side stands for dark. And also it's well combined the Harry Potter 7 Horcrux element on the box. It can really good inspired our curiosity and exploring heart for these devices. So after we open it and take the cover inside the box, you can find it's our another two boxes and also the smartphone. So first, yes, let's check what's inside these two small boxes. Also, we can find that this time the design language is well combined the golden color and also the dark color. It's cool. It's get a very nice and attractive and the classical design language. Here is the SIM card ejector box and also the iconic logo. So let's open it. And also we can find a lot of classical elements from Hogwarts Harry Potter was used in front of the books and the smartphone as well. So next we can check the smartphone, but now let's check this box first. And whoa, this is a well designed and deep customized. I think it's a quick start of the smartphone, and it's have a brief introduction about this device and also to provide some warranty information and also the battery information. And we can find a lot of Hogwarts Harry Potter element on the paper, and also the color is the combine the dark with the golden. And yes, here is the special designed and customized case. It's really nice, and even inside the case is have some logo and element from Harry Potter. This is a very nice case. I really like it, and it's a leather material and feels very comfortable. And here, whoa, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is 7 crux from Harry Potter. And let's check what's inside the box. And okay, in front of the box we can find a sword, and yes, here is the charger. Yes, it's also deep customized. We can find the logo. It's printed on the charger, Harry Potter. This time the battery is 5000 mAh and it supports 90W capable fast charging. And here is the cable. Okay, it's a Type C. Yes, it's Type C to USB-A cable. For the color and for design of this cable, it's just the normal cable. It's not customized, but the black color, I think, it also looks nice. Yeah. And this time for the battery and charging watt, it's just like the normal Redmi Turbo3. So except the cable, everything else is well customized, and it's a nice design. And to use the element from the Harry Potter. And next, well, let's go to today's highlight, the smartphone, Redmi Turbo3 Harry Potter Special Edition. Let's peel off the smartphone plastic protector, and also have removed the smartphone label. Yeah, now finally the phone is in front of us. Wow, it looks actually amazing. And it's also used the classical golden and dark color. This two color is okay. Very classical from Harry Potter, and okay, we can fix it with the case. And now case looks more attractive actually. Yeah. Then we can check the details of about the camera. It's well and genius. Combined the bright colors, lumos with age of the camera zone. And here in the case, on the case printed Harry Potter Redmi logo as well, and even the framework same, color is same with the case. And we can also find the Hogwarts school badge, magic school badge. And also when we go to the front side and unlock the screen, the wallpaper, the screen paper, and also the icons are well and redesigned. And also they used the dark background wallpaper with a golden icon. I think this is very attractive and classical element from Hogwarts and Harry Potter. And it looks so balanced, even the software and the hardware. And we can also check the specifications about this device when we go to the settings part. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8S Generation 3 processor, and also this is a 4nm producing technology, 1+3+4 framework, and the maximum frequency reached to 3.0 GHz, and CPU improved 24%, and the GPU improved 60%, and also it have AI functions this time. And for the Antutu score is get 1.66 comprehensive scores. And also we can find it's used the 120Hz refresh rate screen, and it's a 6.67 inch OLED, and the screen is from TCL, and it's get a 2712 1220 display resolution, and peak brightness reached to 2400 nit. Yeah, here's the camera. So we can also have a very simple camera test. And this time for the camera is provide the dual rear camera system. The main one is Sony LYT600, and it's a 50 megapixel camera and aperture f1.59, and the second wide angle is 8 megapixel Sony IMX355. Now we can check the performance about the camera, and the front one is a 20 megapixel OV200B f2.2 camera. So I will put the sample pictures at the end of the video so you can check it. The wide angle zoom performance, night vision as well supported. So here is about the camera part, and also when I hold it on my hand, I can feel it's not so heavy. It's just 129 grams, and the dimensions about this device is length 160.5 and width 74.4 and thickness 7.8 mm. And for the battery part, as I already mentioned, 5000 90-watt fast charging with 12 minutes. Normally you can get 50%, and around 35 to 40 minutes you can fully charged. So at last, let's make conclusion and let's check all the stuff inside the box: charger, user manual, cable, case, and the smartphone itself. So this is everything inside the box, and also the SIM card ejector, and so user manual. So thanks for watching my video, and let's stay tuned waiting for more catch up from here. Bye bye. Let's enjoy the pictures about the camera part.